Thanks for checking in with us here on ABC24 Plus. I'm Chief Meteorologist Trevor Birchett, hopping on to give you an update on our weather impact alert as we look ahead to the weekend. We've been feeling a lot like spring lately after the winter storm a few weeks ago. Temperatures have climbed quite drastically into the 60s, even some 70s. But with spring-like weather is going to come spring-like rain showers. And unfortunately, it's going to come just in time for Valentine's Day. That's your weather impact alert. Rain likely Saturday and Saturday night. Some of it could be on the heavy side as well. Thankfully, we're not expecting any severe weather, maybe a rumble of thunder or two, but this is not really a severe weather setup. It is going to be the potential for some heavy rain through the day Saturday into Saturday night, maybe even into early Sunday morning as well. Some of this rain could be heavy. I think the best chance for that would be Saturday night. Once the sun goes down, I think the rain's going to pick up a little bit. And because it's all coming down so heavy, could lead to some flooding on the roadways just because those drainage systems can't catch up. So we could see some ponding on those side streets and on the corners over by the gutters. So if you are going to be around Saturday and Saturday night, be aware there could be some roadways covered in water. Friday, for the most part, looks fine. Friday night, I think, is okay. So if you want to do dinner Friday night instead, that's probably a great time to do it because by the time you wake up Saturday morning, we're going to start to see some rain showers. Heavy rain by Saturday night, even into Sunday morning. We could see some heavy rain early in the day before all of this clears on out by Sunday afternoon. Now, believe it or not, we are actually in a drought in the Mid-South right now. I know we had the snow and ice a couple of weeks ago, but when you melt all that down, it only gave us about an inch of liquid precipitation. And then before that, December had been pretty dry. So I just wanted to show you the 60-day actual versus normal. So this is in the last 60 days through about the middle of December. We've seen just about 4 inches of rain here in Memphis in the last 60 days. Our normal for the previous 60 days is almost 9 inches of rainfall. So we are about 5 inches below where we normally are for this time of the year for the last 60 days. So that has put parts of the Mid-South in a pretty rough drought. Look at this drought monitor up in Northeast Arkansas. Extreme to exceptional drought up towards Searcy, Poinsett County, Cross County, toward Jonesboro. Pretty bad up there. But even into the rest of eastern Arkansas, northwest Tennessee, even parts of the Delta, the drought is severe. Not quite as bad in North Mississippi, at least toward Oxford and Corinth, but a good chunk of the Mid-South is seeing a pretty significant drought right now. So this rain is really going to help. I don't think it will get rid of the drought completely, but it will help. Again, like I said, we're down about 5 inches. I don't think many of us see quite that much, but I do think the rain on Saturday is going to put a pretty big dent in the drought. Unfortunately, it's just coming right in time for Valentine's Day. So let's time it out hour by hour. Again, Friday I think is fine through the day and into Friday night. Here's 7 p.m. Friday. So this would be about dinner time Friday. Radar looks good. So if you have dinner reservations Saturday for Valentine's Day, you might want to consider moving those up to Friday night if you can, because that is going to be the best day to stay dry. Now, by Saturday morning, we start to see some light rain come in. I think Saturday morning, we're going to wake up to some light rain showers, maybe some off and on rain at first, but it's going to be pretty light to start. So if you have to do something on Saturday, it seems like lunchtime might be the best time period to do it. I think we could get a little break in the rain for most of us right around noon or 1 o'clock. So that's the time where the rain is going to be the lightest. But then as we get into the afternoon, 2 p.m., 3 p.m., heavier rain starts to come in. And it looks like the heaviest rain Saturday is going to be just in time for dinner time. So there's 7 p.m. Saturday. Where you're seeing those yellows show up, that's where we could have some heavier downpours. Again, I don't expect severe weather. This is not a tornado situation, not a severe weather situation at all. What I am concerned about, though, is the heavy rain. And it looks like it could get heavier through Saturday night. Once the sun goes down between 7 p.m. and 11 p.m., I think that'll be the heaviest rain on Saturday. So here's 11 o'clock. Notice those yellows really showing up. That's where it's really going to be coming down. And again, maybe a rumble of thunder or two mixed in as well. This rain continues Saturday night through Sunday morning as you're waking up early Sunday, 7 or 8 a.m. Still could be some light rain, but I do think Sunday we'll see that rain clear out pretty quickly. By noon Sunday, I think the rain is done. So if you have stuff to do this weekend, Sunday afternoon into Sunday evening looks good. I think the rain is going to be cleared out by then. But again, this could be some heavy rain. Wherever those really heavy rain bands set up, we could easily see 3 to 4 inches of rain. Right now, this model has that in North Mississippi, but that could move around just a little bit. Memphis, easily 2 to 4 inches of rain with this, and then 1 inch to 1.5 inches the further north you go. But that band of heaviest rain could shift a little bit depending on exactly where it sets up. So just be aware, 1 to 2, maybe 3 or 4 inches for a good chunk of the Mid-South. And because that's all coming down at once, it could kind of clog up the drainage system just a little bit. And it could certainly result in some issues with ponding or even some flooding on those roadways Saturday into Saturday night. So here's a closer look at that weekend forecast. Again, I think rain is pretty much a guarantee. Most of the day Saturday, maybe some breaks right around lunchtime, but most of Saturday looks pretty rainy. That continues for Saturday night. That's when the rain could actually get a little bit heavier. Once the sun goes down Saturday night, we could see that rain really start to pick up. That's where we could have some thunder mix in, and that's where we're going to see some good downpours that really could provide some flooding on the roadways. So Saturday night going to be the heaviest. I think some rain continues into Sunday morning as well. So if you're trying to get to church early on Sunday, probably going to deal with some rain. But by lunchtime Sunday, the rain ends. And then I think the rest of the day Sunday looks dry. Might even have some sunshine pop back out. So Saturday's the weather impact alert. Again, not severe. I just expect some heavy rain that's probably going to impact your plans. Morning rain on Sunday. And then we look dry and much warmer going into next week. Look at your temperature outlook through the middle of February. There's still no sign of a cool down. I'm not tracking a cold front. I'm not tracking a big freeze. Temperatures are likely to stay above average through at least the middle of February, through February 22nd. And just to show you, average highs 55. Look at this. 60s through the weekend, and then we get to the 70s by the middle and end of next week. So certainly feeling a lot like spring over the next 7 to 10 days. But again, that's going to come with some rain chances. Weather impact alert Saturday and Saturday night. Periods of heavy rain, especially Saturday night, 7 p.m. to midnight. I think that's when the heaviest rain will fall. That could lead to flooding on those roadways, just some street flooding, ponding on the roadways, I guess you could say. So use caution. And if you do see a roadway that's flooded, remember to turn around, don't drown. Never drive through a flooded roadway. So here's that 7-day forecast for you. Again, Friday looks nice. High of 66 degrees, average high is 55. Friday night looks good too if you want to get out, but Saturday morning the rain starts. It'll be light at first, maybe some breaks in the rain around lunchtime, but then by Saturday afternoon and evening, the rain really picks up. It becomes a lot more steady, and there could be some heavy rain Saturday night, again, mainly after sunset. By around dinner time, that rain could really be coming down, could lead to some flooding on the roadways. I think we see heavy rain into Saturday night as well. Lighter rain for Sunday morning. As you're first waking up on Sunday, you'll wake up to some rain, but it clears out pretty quickly. By lunchtime, Sunday, the rain is done. So Sunday afternoon looks good. Might even see some sunshine pop out, high of 62. Next week, very, very nice. But again, well above the average high of 55 for this time of year. Sunshine and 66 on Monday, 71 on Tuesday. Few more clouds Wednesday and Thursday, but I think we'll stay dry through at least Thursday of next week. Monday to Thursday looks dry. Clouds move in though. Temperatures actually continue to climb thanks to a little bit of a southerly wind that's going to pump in. And that gets us all the way to 74 on Thursday. By the way, record highs for next week, they're about 78 or 79 degrees. So not quite to a record high, but it is going to be very warm as we look ahead to next week. And really already warm with temperatures in the 60s. Just got to deal with that rain on Saturday. Again, especially Saturday evening and Saturday night. That rain could be on the heavy side, could lead to a little flooding on the roadways. So if you have to be out, use caution. But if you can, Friday night looks like a much better night to go out and grab dinner. Maybe a little early Valentine's Day plans out there. We'll keep you updated right here on ABC24 Plus, also on the brand new ABC24 app for your phone. Download it for free today, and I will see you back here next week. But for now, I'm Chief Meteorologist Trevor Birchett.